Okay, and you will submit it. So once it is completed status, so it will be all the configurations you need to verify, and once it is good, you can proceed for the verification of setups or data. So now we did some application composer changes, email templates, then page composer changes, all these things. We wanted to migrate this also. So the sequence can be like this. First, you need to complete functional setups. Then you need to migrate the you need to configure all the custom configurations, that is using application composer, structure, all those tools. Once these two configurations are available, so then you can migrate the data, okay, into one instance. Once you have configured all these steps, right, then you can migrate to different instance. So basically we need to do in test instance, right, functional setups first, any configurations, and then migration. So once this is completed in the test, so you need to move these changes to production instance, that is using migration. So we have completed this functional setup migration, and we are going to do custom configurations using custom set migration tool. So data migration is anyway can be done by using import and export. So to migrate these changes, configuration changes, you need to be out of the sandbox, and you need to go to configurations, migration. So here you have the migration. This is the migration tool. You have incoming migration sets, outgoing migration sets. So here outgoing is nothing but you will export uh, the configuration set, okay, and incoming means you will import in the target instance. This is manual method. So you will export the file from the source, you will import the file in the target. So if you have already some migration set, then you will not be able to export again. So for now, I'm just deleting it. So this is how once you submit any process, you will get this kind of file where you can download. So now we need to click on this move all changes to export the file. Okay, before this, so we have this environment inform where we need to configure the current instance. So this will be automatically taken, and the target instance. So this is the target instance. Suppose we need to configure this. To configure this target instance, you need to go to setup and maintenance. And go to global search. Okay. Manage configuration set migration target security policy. So this is the place where you will define the target instance and the username and password. So you need to give these credentials so that it will be applied. Once you define this, again you need to go to configuration set my CSM tool. In a simple terms, we can call it CSM, CSM and FSM. FSM is for functional tasks. CSM is for this application composer changes. Now you can see the target instance here, and then you can apply. You need to create. If you don't configure this target instance, then the only option is uh, exporting a file and importing in the incoming section. If you have target instance set up, so then it will be automatically moved from this instance to another instance. Okay. You will give the name. Make sure there is no spaces. So here in the modules, right? Some modules you can't disable. Suppose application fact, artifacts, analytics, some analytics content, common components, right? So this can't be uh, excluded. But there are options to exclude some of the components, like email templates, adaptive search configurations, ESS changes, message templates, routine, smart actions. So these are some notification preferences. So whatever is available here, you can exclude and you can proceed further, proceed for exporting. Or since target instance is specified, so it will be moved to target instance. Once this is completed, so either if target instance is already specified, right, you need to go to a different instance and you will see the incoming migration sets here. Okay, you will see a row here, and then details you can see, and then you can accept it, and you can preview those changes. If those are good, then you can proceed further, publish. You can apply those migrations in the target instance. If you don't have the um, if you don't have this target instance, right, so then you can use the file generated in the outgoing, and you need to use this upload migration set. You can choose that file, and then you can upload this. So it will not directly apply. So it will create a sandbox automatically. You can preview the changes in that sandbox. So if good, you can publish and you can apply the changes. So this document name is migrating from non-production to production environments. All the implementation, I mean, steps it will give. Where also we can see when it will, what's the state it should be. So basically, it should be in the same version, same upgrade, uh, with sync at system level. So then only this migration should happen. It will otherwise it might fail. So uh, we need to make sure. And you can see this document where it lists what is migrated and what is not migrated. manage users. So this is not migrated. This will not be migrated. And this is related to process, schedule process. So it will not be migrated. So this document tells all that. I'll share this document. Okay. Also, the reports that we are going to create, right, in previous sessions, those will also not migrate. So for that, so we will see how to migrate those.